In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Risograph green effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Once your picture or photo has been loaded, you want to go over to Filter and click Filter Gallery. You can zoom in or zoom out or adjust your image so that you can see it, but under Artistic, click the drop-down arrow and click Poster Edges. The next step is to scroll down until you see Distort and then click on Diffuse and Glow. And here are the settings. You can feel free to copy them or mess with them as you would like. And same thing with Poster Edges. Feel free to mess around. And then once you're satisfied, click OK. The next step that we're going to do is to go down and click the third option, or this arrow or this circle, and then click the second option, Gradient. This will pull up a list of gradients as you are currently seeing. If you click the drop-down arrow, you can choose a whole list of gradients ranging from different colors. In this case, I'm going to choose the third option under B6. You can choose the options of the angle if you would like. You can even choose the style, whether it's linear, radical, angle, etc. In this case, we're going to leave it under linear and click OK. And then go under here to your Layers panel and click the drop-down arrow and mess around with the different settings that you would like. In this case, I like this setting, which is Overlay. But again, you can mess around to whatever you would want. You can even change the opacity so you can reduce the gradient effect or more of the gradient effect. In this case, I'm going to have it 50%. The next step is to click on your image and then go into the filter and locate noise and add some noise. In this case, you can adjust it for the amounts, whether it's uniform or whether it's Gaussian, whether it's chromatic or whether it's not. I like this setting, so I'm going to click OK. You can adjust the image as far as the brightness by going to Image Adjustment and Brightness and Contrast if you would like. In this case, I have 10 in 50. And then I'm going to adjust the saturation or the vibrance. The final step is to go to Filter, Sharpen and Unsharpen Mask, and copy these settings and click OK. And this is the before.
What I'm going to do is fix the tax system, for example.
And this is the after.
We have 1,000 trillionaires in America. Billionaires in America.
You can download this Photoshop file and feel free to mess around.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.